Welcome back to our channel. This is the second episode of learning about drug identification. We use single active ingredient and double active ingredient medications, and we also repeated some of the medications we used in the first health game show. Click on the link on the top right corner of your screen to check out the first health game show. This very day it was raining and drizzling, and the weather was basically not good for a health game show, but we were determined to achieve our objective. Now let's delve deeper, explore safe and responsible methods, as well as expand our drug knowledge through this game show. The following are the medications used for the health game show. These are two different brands of cetirizine tablets. We repeated these medications to test the understanding of the people. These medications are used for the relief of allergic rhinitis with symptoms such as sneezing, runny or itchy nose, and hives of unknown source. Activated charcoal can be used in case of overdose. These are two different brands of ibuprofen tablets, but more importantly, two different strengths. The white tablet is 400 mg and the pink one is 200 mg. It is indicated for mild to moderate pain such as dysmenorrhea, dental and postpartum pain. We can also use it for rheumatoid and gouty arthritis, low back pain, sprain and strain. The medication should not be given to patients with peptic ulcer disease, which is active. These are two different brands of metronidazole tablets with two different strengths. The yellow one is 200 mg and the white one is 400 mg. The medication is indicated for urinogenital trichomoniasis, giardiasis, and infections caused by anaerobic bacteria. It is also used for post-surgical abdominal and pelvic infections. Lactating mothers should know that metronidazole is distributed in breast milk, giving it a bitter taste, which may impair feeding. So ask your pharmacist for advice before taking this drug. The medications here are Gevidol and Clonova Plus. Both are different brands containing the same double active ingredient, which is diclofenac and paracetamol. Both medications can be used for headache, rheumatism, toothache, fever, body pain, menstrual pain, gouty arthritis. In cases of overdose, you will experience nausea, vomiting, and headache. The overdose can be treated using activated charcoal. People with active peptic ulcer should not take Clonova Plus or Gevidol as their choice of pain medication, and it should be given with caution in individuals with evidence of impairment in the kidney or liver. Now the stage is set. Let's begin our game show for today. The common problem we face as pharmacists is that we have some patients going home after not getting the same brand of medication they came to look for. This situation has led to treatment being delayed, disease being worsened, and in some cases we have had some patients being in critical condition because they did not get the same brand they wanted, so treatment was discontinued. We are also aware that in some cases the brand of the medication cannot be changed for some patients. These are some of the reasons this game show was organized.
Instructions about the game. Now we have and now I show you have the same year. And that's where the Mulaba. Now they was here in there. Say if we live in a century, I had a shame. That's why a good bra. Then I'm a partner that actually the same. That's a goodness on your side. Then show us by difference. In briefly, you're not able to bra. But what market or a group now, but money else to be that's the only another more power on your Nankasampa. Naka says they get on a correct. Until I have had a bush to be answered now. The demonstration is over. Now let's see how it will go for our participant. Our first participant is called Salome. Check out her dance moves. You know, so far, everywhere the next nation, so I do the same thing. Now, I can't tell you actually go the same. You can also the same as different. I can't tell you actually. Yeah, I can't go natural. You have never. I will tell you to put my hand down. Okay, also anything. And that's the next one. Alright, this is next one. This is
Salome had 2 out of 4, representing 50%. The next participant is called Francisca Yeboah. Francisca was present in the first drug identification health game show. We repeated her to see if there will be improvement.
all right. Next one. Next one is different. I'm gonna take care of you.
In the first drug identification show, Francisca scored 60%, and in this game show, she scored 75%, and that's some quantum jump by getting 3 out of 4. Our next participant is called Madam Nyankumasi Ahenkro, who sells feminine.
Okay, what's the first one here to say? That's my next one.
When you come see me for you, you go love me like you love me. Why you treat me like a stranger? Right now you know the care. You used to go to go with me. Man, I mean, I'm in love with you.
Come on! How's it going different? Okay, also a difference. Same for last one. What's there for you to say? Ryan.
So she scored 100%, got all of them correct. I call it the miracle of Nyankumasi. Our next participant is called Abigail Entry. Abigail participated in the first drug identification health game show and scored 40%. Let's see how she will do today.
Last one.
Abigail scored 50% today and we have had some improvements. Now this is the moment of truth and how and why you should learn how to identify drugs.
We're not this kind of thing. No catch and no, you will do the same thing. No, they are more. Now, the room color now tablets in the way. The back at the old, you only be. But near them, no, Bumuda, or another. Dada Bayan Day. Because I'm looking at it. Now, I'm sure one of it, then we all know another. The answer by him, if you win it, if you wear Kalano, as I want to, we're different. But I think Kenya, Buddha in the same thing. So go for it, you are Buddha in the same thing. So one or two see the same. I am correct. First one, I say. First one, I say.
From here, I showed them all the answers from the second set of medications, which is ibuprofen, being different brand but the same active ingredient. The trick here was that the strength of the drugs were different. 200 mg for the pink, 400 mg for the white tablet. So technically, there are two different drugs. For metronidazole, it was the same trick as ibuprofen. The drugs were different because of their strength, which was 200 mg for the tablet, which is yellow, and 400 mg for the white tablet. Our last set of medications, Gibidol and Diclonova Plus, contain the same active ingredient, even though they are different brands. In effect, they are the same drugs. So as usual, we couldn't leave without giving our participants something to go home with. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.